YouTube, it's me, and today I've got something, and this is bang on time. So today I've got something, and this is not a hoover, it's nothing like that. This is just something what I wanted to show you, because I thought it was quite cool. It's basically, this is spinning around with an electric motor here. All inside you've got your battery pack and all that. In a few weeks I might make one of these for you to just copy and all that. But as you see, I've got this piece of wire at the front, and that just goes on to here, and that makes it work. Because there's all electrical wires in there. So yeah, what we was doing is there's some planets, meant to be planets, which are turning. And then this is meant to be the sun. But I think it's just like a little fan, which you could have in your room. Like just say you can't afford a fan. You get quite a big breeze with that. I'll see if I can let it stay on. Okay. Now what it is let's just take off the motor shaft. So you might be able to hear it. Just hear it, you might be able to hear it. But up here I haven't, this is not spinning because there's no drive belt. And I will just show you the belt. Now what these are special belts to fit these. They're like an elastic band, but just a bit thicker. Not too thick, not too thin though. So yeah, you're meant to get that. And where this blue thing is, which makes them spin, this red thing at the top, you're meant to push that to right adjustment. So just say I want it a bit slower, I'd push it a bit down. But I want to make sure it's still free running. But there you go. There, so that's going to be on there. This belt is going to go on the motor, then onto this blue shaft. So let's just do that. Then this wire is going to touch this, and this is on slow. I'll just see. Let's just wind this up. This is on fast mode. This is on just slow mode. But if I adjust it, now it's on fast. Now my friend Reese, hello, if you're watching, Reese, thank you for helping me make this. This will always be something what I will treasure, because I think Reese did all the wiring in this, and I put the motor in and all that. So big shout to Reese Colton. So hello Reese, you might be watching, I don't know. So yeah, So a big shout to Reese, and he helped me make it. But he's scared of glue guns. Oh yeah, by the way, right, let's just stop it. I've got new carpet. Woo! I got new carpet. I've got an old slip of the red and the old brown one. This is the old brown one. Then I got new one. Yeah. So that's my new carpet as well. You can follow me on Instagram, by the way, if you want to. I'm called Anywho 500. All together, please, ladies. Woo! So, right, I just need to. And this is made by a parcel box.